Hello guys, welcome to our new video tutorial series of AWS DevOps Professional Exam. And in my previous video, we had completed some IAM users, how we're gonna use the cloud patch and CI/CD pipeline, and how we use the DevOps. So in this video, we will discuss about how we're gonna implement and automate, build, test, and deploy workflows using AWS CodePipeline, CodeBuild, and CodeDeploy. Okay, so as you know that CI/CD, if you are watching my previous videos, but if you're not, I can give you a overview, which is CI/CD is all about automating the software release process. So continuous integration means developer merge code frequently on the shared repository. Continuous deployment ensure that code changes automatically go through testing and then into production with a minimal manual effort. As you know, like in real-time projects, multiple developers are working on the same repository and they are keep pushing their branches. So and every time there should be the project manager or a lead which can merge the code into the production code. So CI/CD will make this really helpful for us. Like in DevOps CI/CD, it reduce human errors, speed up delivery and ensure consistency. Also, like AWS provides services like code commit, code build, code pipeline, and code deploy to achieve this. Okay, so as you know that if we do manual changes in our production or pushing, and for example, if any developer push some branch in the main code, and if it's an error, our whole code will state in the error right now after pushing the error code. So now we have to check which branch has an error, and then we need to fix that, and then we need to remerge the branch. So but in code pipeline, it just checks our errors, automate, you know and then it will not deploy your code until the branch you uploaded it's perfectly fine. So it helps a lot. Also, like as you know that in my previous video, the code pipeline and the code build. Code pipeline basically automates the release process by connecting stages like source, build, test, and deploy. So once we build our project, and then we test, and then after successfully test, then we can deploy our code, and then it's pushed to our original branch. So also, like code build, compile source code, run test, and package for deployment. It's fully managed, so you don't need to maintain build servers. So in my next videos, I will create a code build project connected to GitHub, and then build instruction using how we gonna use build spec .yml file, and then I will integrate with code pipeline with automate builds as well. Okay, and then you will see AWS code deploy and blue green deployment. So what is this? That's a new thing. So code deploy automates application deployment to EC2 Lambda. You know these terms before because you have seen my previous videos. So I'm not going to discuss this again. But it ensures zero downtime by managing how new servers are released. So the problem is whenever we merge our code to a production code, we need to down our website or project. So like our new code can be merged. Without this, you cannot merge in the live code. So, but these are the terms like where we can reduce our downtime like in seconds, so that will not affect our live application. Have you ever seen like the Facebook or WhatsApp and other apps, like it will never down. In rare cases they will down. And so because they are handle their downtime very efficiently, like they don't need to do anything. So if they merge a new code, like new feature, they don't usually don't you will never see anything. You will just get a notification like your app needs to be updated. Okay, because you don't need to change anything. You just need to update your app. So as you know, the blue green development is deployment is we maintain two different environments: blue for current production and green for new version. So once verified, traffic is shifted to green. This makes like rollback instant if something falls. Okay, so the green and blue deployment is like blue for current production, whatever production you have right now, and then green for the new version which you already deployed. So you just need to shift those. Also, I will make a video tutorial for this, how we gonna do this in real world by using some demo files. And yeah, so let's wrap up. So as you know, in my previous video we has discussed about the cloud watch, how we're gonna use that, and cloud batch as well. So in my next video we will create a code build project connected to GitHub and then define build instructions using a build spec.yml file. So stay tuned with us, and like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos. Thank you.